I got this one a few weeks ago. I posted a couple of teasers and so many of you were interested in seeing the review. So here we are, Arturia AudioFuse 8Pre interface. Let's take a look. Hello everyone, welcome back to MixbusTv. Hope you're having a great day. Before we start, check the info box down below for my mixing courses, a bunch of special deals and discounts on plugins. And if you want to support the channel, we have t-shirts. Today we take a look at the new, really interesting offer in the interface world by Arturia, the AudioFuse 8 Preamp. I had this one for a couple of weeks. I brought it with me and hooked up to my laptop while studio hopping here in Los Angeles. I already recorded vocals, acoustic guitars, piano with it, and I can tell this unit is really solid. Let's see the specs. So with this interface, we have 8 preamps, 8 analog channel in, 8 analog channel out, plus stereo out for speakers and 2 pairs of headphones. The cool thing about this unit is you can use it as a standalone audio interface, and it comes with both USB 3 and USB 2 cables, so you can connect it to PC or Mac. But on the back panel we see ADAT connection, so you can use this unit as a standalone 8-channel preamp to expand an existing system, for example. And the preamps are the next thing I want to talk about. When talking about all-in-one interfaces like this one very important thing and one thing that everybody wants to know is, how good are the preamps? Well, aside from my personal experience, like I said, I worked with it already, and I can tell you these preamps are really good. The specs speaks for themselves. This unit has a minus 129 dBu noise, so basically adds zero noise to your signal. And the other thing is the dynamic range. We have a 119 dB of dynamic range. These are just numbers, you will say, right? Well, when you buy this unit, Arturia actually sends you a readout for your specific unit. So as you can see, you have the equivalent input noise, frequency response, gain range, and for each microphone, you have noise, frequency range, gain range. So these are the specs of your specific unit. And take a look at the gain range. This unit delivers up to 75 dB of gain. Actually, we have this one at 76 nonetheless. So this unit preamps are really something special. If we take a look at the front panel, we have the 2 combo inputs for channel 1 and 2, and then the 8 preamp controls. We have gain knob for each unit, phantom power, instrument, phase reverse, which is very useful and not many interfaces have it, and the pad. The pad is very, very interesting. Let me connect an audio cable to channel 1 and I'll show you. So first of all, when you connect the cable, it automatically recognizes if it's mic or line signal. Now, when it recognizes the line signal, that's where the instrument button comes in. So if you plugged your electric guitar or your bass straight in 1/4-inch jack, you can switch from line to high impedance instrument input and just play your instrument directly into any of the pre's. The pad is a brilliant design. Why? You press it once, it lights up white and it works as a pad, minus 20 dB. But if you keep it pressed, it turns red and it adds 10 dB of additional gain to any of the preamps. That's how we get to such a high level of gain for these preamps on this interface. You can hook up any low output microphone and you have an additional 10 dB of gain built in, or if your source is particularly quiet, there you have it. Brilliant design for this one. On the far right of the interface, we have the control room section, so to speak. So we have the big knob for the speaker output level, and then the volume control for 2 pairs of headphones. One connected with 1/4-inch, the other one with 3.5 millimeter. This unit, of course, has internal clock, so you can use it as a master clock, or in a system when you have a different master clock, it will lock automatically. And then you have the 2 options for the connection, USB, it will recognize it as soon as you plug it in, or ADAT. Even the power button has a smart feature. When the unit is on, if you press it accidentally, the unit will not turn off. You have to keep it pressed for a couple of seconds for the unit to turn off. So no accidents with this. On the back panel, we have all the analog connection for the input, for the output, for the speakers, and also the ADAT and clock. The unit can be mounted on a rack with these 2 brackets, and also with the same 2. You can put them as a little feet and it comes with another additional 2 black plastic feet to put in the back, and you can mount it on top of your desktop. So attention to details all around. The metal chassis are really solid. This unit has some weight, which is something I like. For me, it just speaks quality when I feel that. And the knobs and the buttons are super high quality. I love the feel of the knobs. I love the feel of the buttons. And this is pretty simple, straightforward, extremely well designed. I love the fact that the preamps are so versatile. I love Arturia product, you know I have several. And another thing, this unit also comes with a great plugin bundle. All the 3 preamps collection, the comp FET, delay tape, mini filter, and analog lab light, which is a nice bonus to have when you buy a unit like this. It's priced just below $700. I've been using this for a while. Like I said, I actually hooked it up to my laptop the first time at night that I had to work in studio. The installation was super smooth. It actually updated the firmware in 1 second, fastest firmware update I've ever seen. Not a glitch since then. And it also has a software interface, of course, so you can control any parameter from your computer, levels, mute, phantom power, phase, everything, connections, all of it. You can see it on my screen. Very streamlined. I like the layout. So this is Arturia AudioFuse 8Pre. Let me know if you have any question. I've been using it for a while. I'll keep using it. Actually, we are doing another installation of one of my artist place, and we are gonna put this one there. I hope this video was useful. I hope you liked it. Link to the Arturia AudioFuse 8Pre in the description down below. Leave your comment, questions, subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.